Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by buying the Phantom and locking your economy. This is why you check dollar and team buys right away. Once bought, make sure to stand and walk to keep accuracy. Moving while shooting increases recoil. Practice 1/2 recoil control in the range to learn burst timings. Use the default crosshair initially to register bullet spread. After that, adjust sensitivity slightly if spray feels off. These first actions set the foundation, so your aim and economy stay consistent into rounds. Once in the round, you modulate fire based on distance. Tap or short burst at 15 to 25 meters for precise headshots, and switch to full spray only under 10 meters where phantom control is manageable. Make sure to use shoulder peaks and jiggle to bait shots while minimizing exposure. The Phantom silencer masks fall-off and footstep timing, helping deception. Combine with a flash or smokes to take or hold sights. Coordinating abilities increases the weapon's effectiveness and reduces solo. To finish rounds cleanly, focus on recoil reset. Pause about 0.15 to 0.25 seconds between bursts so bullets regroup toward the head. If your spray runs high consistently, lower mouse sensitivity 5 to 10% and retest. This quickly improves vertical control. When you miss too often, stop and spend 5 to 10 minutes in range on flicks and recoil drills. If issues persist, verify frame rate and input lag, because hardware hiccups can mimic aiming problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.